All right, it's time to check my furnace filter. I think it's about time to replace it. I don't remember when was the last time I put it in. So let's see. It says, oh, September 20th, 2024. Hey, isn't that exactly 1 year ago? Wow. That's a bit overdue. Let's see. Pretty dirty. But I'm surprised that it's dirty on the outlet side. How does that work? Airflow. Huh. I must have installed it the wrong way. Looks like this is the clean side. And that's the dirty side. Okay. The new one should be white. Okay. Maybe I'll install it the correct way this time. Airflow this way. I'll put on the date. This is today's date. Let's see. 9/2025. Okay. Put it in this way. Oh, yeah, that reminds me. The size is not quite right, so I had to crush it a little bit for it to fit. I think this is 1 inch too big, so I had to crush it a little bit. Okay, there. It should be good. Maybe good for another year. Hopefully I remember to change it out in 6 months. One thing I don't understand is why this part, the return, has insulation, but this part doesn't have insulation. Is it supposed to? Not sure.